Honorio Ventura State University inaugurates its 2024 Genderized University Intramurals from December 5 to 9. Theme, Honing Honorians by Building Resilience, Leadership, and Teamwork Through Sports. In an interview, Sports Coordinator Paul Andre Mekespak from the Office of Sports and Development stated,
with regards to improvement, talagang nag-meeting yung mga coaches, yung mga sports coordinators, to the leadership of Dr. Simon and Dr. Enrique Baking, na yung IRR talaga, yung primary focus natin is to ensure yung safety ng mga estudyante. Kaya kung papansinin niyo, yung mga games natin ngayon, anchored talaga sila dun sa mga rules. Kumuha talaga tayo ng mga rules from reputable sources.
The week-long event unites students from various departments, colleges, and campuses to compete in simultaneous games and events immediately after the opening ceremony at Dr. Ernesto Tinik del Sports Center. One of the student athletes shared,
Nalaman ko kasi yung kabracket ko, mas lalo akong ganahan na mag-training. Siyempre, SCOA player yung kalaban ko. Ngayon, lalo na at first game ako, kaya ayun yung nag-encourage sa akin na mag-training lalo and ayun.
Ultimately, the intramurals culminate in promoting camaraderie, teamwork, and athletic excellence. Academic undertakings are suspended as per Memorandum Number 19, Series of 2024 to accommodate the said event. This has been Veo Irish Lua of Radio Escolar reporting.